Well, yeehaw, folks. We've got a lovely field that's mostly sage grass, except for maybe down in the valley over there. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. It was green. Very green. But when we come back and bale it in a couple days, it's going to look like it's snowing coming out of the baler. Yep, it always looks good. Ooh, what was that? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I saw the fluff. It's going to be so fluffy here in a couple days. Where did I find that stick at? That's not good. And pull all that stuff out of there. I had to put this new cylinder on the other day. If you look down in here, right there, I mean, this should be 2 straight pieces of metal, and that's broke because on the previous cylinder the clevis had broken off and it was just pushing down with the rod. I couldn't find a new clevis for the old cylinder because they made the threads smaller than the rest of the rod. Or most of the broken old whatever cylinders I could find at home, the threads were the same size as the rest of the rod. No step down. Guess we could put our safety on while we're back here. Well, we'll catch you guys. I think we'll make it all one video. I'll catch you guys when we're baling to show the fun of the sage grass. At least it didn't all come out super straight. It's got a little bend to it. Looks nice and grassy, doesn't it? Well, we'll see what eats it. Okay, so we're back. Unfortunately, I'm so disappointed the camera died, and you guys missed a little bit of fun. I had to bale 150 squares on a wagon by myself, about an acre, that we didn't get done yesterday, because we didn't get it done yesterday. That was fun. Somebody lost the little metal device with the special notches to get it started. So, yeah. Sage grass did that. It fluffed out. Hey, look, little snow. So we're gonna see what happens. Brad's raking. We're gonna bale this up as fast as we can. Somehow we've missed rain all day. I don't know how. Oh yeah, it's over there. There was some just off to the north, and it's moved away. So we're gonna roll this up as fast as we can, make big tight bales, and then we're gonna get out of here and get back in the barn, hopefully. So yeah, let's let the machines do the work instead of making squares. Ugh. we finished. Made 40 round bales, hopefully not too many of them after we had too much of a sprinkle. It's not like a little bit of dew. I mean, there's some drops on the windshield. Maybe you can see those. This point in the field right here over that way is where it started getting bad, and then those two ended up breaking the shear bolt on. Not both in that same spot, but I parked them next to each other, so we have two pain in the butt bales close, so we know. Well, we'll see how sage-grass does being baled with, we'll call it the dew on. Well, it wasn't very fluffy because the fluff didn't fly away. Not as snowy as I thought, so we'll see what happens. I'm hoping these bales don't get crazy inside. Cattle will eat them. They'll eat anything, right? Well, that's been fun baling. I was hoping for well, not really hoping, but I expected more of a snowy mess. I don't know about a mess, but more snow. Hey, let's look at the neighbors. It's a sod farm. Or the stuff in the way. Maybe you guys saw that. They're over there fertilizing and spreading seed for more sod. I think their thing is to get the seed out right before rain, which is kind of funny watching it on radar. It just kept not getting here, except for this little 5-10 drops thing. Let's watch them again. We have a little better view. Oh, is he gonna make the turn? There he goes. Oh, tree. Well, that's a fun tree. We'll see you guys later with hopefully more dry baling action, or something that's not so rainy.